So to kick off our discussion, I would like to come to Mr. Fokas. Mr. Fokas, you are the head of the training and development of Angelicoussis Group, and you also are the president of Intertanko Training Committee. Am I right?
Καλησπέρα. Chairman of Intertanko.
Chairman.
It works.
So, would you like to share with us what actions has Intertanko taken to ensure a smooth transition to SIRE 2?
Thank you. Καλησπέρα. Good to be back in Posidonia and see such an active, very impressive exhibition. So well done to the organizers to start with. So what has Intertanko done regarding SIRE 2? A lot of things, but in my personal opinion, it's not that our aim is to have good SIRE results. Of course, we all want good SIRE results for commercial reasons, but we need to have a wider, a bigger picture of what, and I will focus mainly only on human element, and how important is human element, not only for SIRE 2 results and inspections, but in general. That's Antoni's car. So, what is important for well-being in general and for our seafarers and officers? So, back to some of the terms that the previous speakers have used about behaviors, etc. So, the first thing that Intertanko has done with OKIF was 4 years ago, and that was the BCAV. That is a tool to facilitate companies to assess the behaviors of seafarers. And the main idea of the BCAV was to have a simple tool, mainly to raise awareness of the importance of soft skills. Okay. And this is a flexible and easy tool, and this assessment can be done during the audits, technical audits that are carried out on board the vessel. So that is the idea. So soft skills, behaviors can be assessed and can be improved. Okay. So that is the concept. And this is, of course, related to SIRE 2, etc., because human factor is a very important part of SIRE 2. And of course, we want to improve the interviews, the response of our seafarers and officers, etc., etc. So this is the bigger picture. Regarding SIRE 2 in particular, of course, Intertanko has issued the guidance with the questionnaires. This huge OKIF questionnaire is reduced to something more manageable, etc., etc. That's the idea. But on top of that, I would like to say another initiative of Intertanko was a survey that was done to the seafarers, and that was published 2 months ago. And I don't know if you have seen it, but if you haven't, please try to find it. It's available on the internet. And there we have some very interesting regarding the response from the seafarers and how they feel about their career in general. So one very good and very positive outcome is that seafarers feel that they work in a safe environment. This is very important. And that took many years of efforts from the maritime industry to go to that level so that everybody is happy now with safety. This is a big step, we should not forget that. Another very important finding in that survey, and I want to mention that to you, is what do you think is are the 2 most important elements for well-being on board? Okay, the easy one is internet, access to internet. What would be the second one? What do you think? They are rated on the same level.
Food.
Food, no, they are happy with food. Anybody else?
Internet.
Internet was the first one. We have another one.
Rest hours.
No, they are happy with the rest hours. So the second one, to our surprise as well, was mentoring. Seafarers want mentoring, and they rate it as important as internet access. And this is new. We like that finding, and we should work as Intertanko, as an industry as well, towards improving mentoring on board. and also mentoring what seafarers are ashore. And now Intertanko, the final one is that we are going to submit some proposals to IMO because STCW is under review now during that period. So we take advantage of that review and propose some new approaches based on the results of the survey, in particular regarding mentoring, human factors, etc. Thank you.
Thank you very much for this explanation, Mr. Fokas. Very interesting, especially the last point.